Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to solve this linear equation and we will solve to find the value of x. Let's start. We will eliminate this number -1 and 3x in both sides. To eliminate that, we will add the number 1 here in this side, +1 in this side, add this number, and we will do the same in this side, +1 here. We need to do the same thing in both sides, and we will eliminate 3x, adding the -3x in this side and -3x in this side. Then we will rewrite the equation with these things that we add in the equation. Then we have x minus 3x minus 1 plus 1 equal 3x minus 3x minus 17 plus 1. X, we have 1 on the left side of the variable x, and 1x minus 3x is -2x, and -1 plus 1 is 0. It's not necessary to put the 0 here. We just cancel, and this is equal 3x minus 3x, 0. We cancel, and -17 plus 1 is -16. And in this side of this number, on the left side of the number 2 is negative, and we will transform this in a positive number, multiplying both sides by -1. We will multiply by -1 in both sides, and we obtain positive with negative becomes positive. 2x equals, and the same here, negative with negative becomes positive, and we have 16. 2x equals 16. Then we will divide both sides by 2. Why by 2? Why divided by 2? Because here we have 2 multiplied by x, 2x, and to eliminate this number 2, we need to divide it by the same number. In this case, the number 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Then we can cancel this number. 2 divided by 2 is 1. It's not necessary to put 1 here. It's just x, and x equal 16 divided by 2 is 8. Then our answer, x equal 8. I hope you enjoy it. Subscribe and see the video recommendations that you can see in your screen now, and comment below about this video and give me suggestions about subjects in math that you want to see here in my channel. See you later. Bye.